Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Hope you are all doing well. In today's quick video, I'll show you how to enable the video repost feature on Instagram so you can share others' content directly to your profile using the new repost button. So let's get started. So make sure you stick to the end of the video to know exactly how to do it. So first you need to open your Instagram app, or you can simply go in the app store and make sure you have updated your Instagram to the latest version. Simply search here Instagram, or for Android you can simply go to your Play Store and search Instagram. As you can see, I have already updated it. After you are on your account, you can simply tap on a profile and go to the three bars at the top of your screen. After you tap here, you can go into the settings and privacy option, scroll down and you will find the settings and privacy option over here. If you don't find it here, you can simply go to the account section as well and you can check here security, or you can simply go to the option here and make sure allow people to remix your videos and allow repost are turned on over here. You will find it inside the settings and privacy option. Now head back to your feed and explore the feed as you want. As you can see, there are many feeds on my feed. Now simply click on one and as you can see, the Instagram logo or the repost logo appears on my screen. If it doesn't even pops up, then you can simply delete and download your app and it should hopefully come up. And that's how you can enable the video repost feature on Instagram. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and for more quick Instagram guides, let me know in the comments if reposting is working for you. And thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next